Make every trip easier and more fun with the 20 cool travel gadgets on Amazon. From innovative packing solutions and smart tech to must-have accessories for comfort and convenience, these gadgets are perfect for travelers of all kinds. Whether you're exploring new cities, road tripping, or flying abroad, this list is packed with real value. Stick around till the end. The final picks are next level, game-changing travel gadgets every adventurer will love. Number 1. VENTY Portable Fan. The VENTY Portable Fan is a compact and powerful solution for staying cool anywhere. With adjustable speed settings and a lightweight design, it's perfect for desks, travel, or outdoor activities. Rechargeable via USB, it provides hours of cooling convenience. Quiet yet effective, it keeps you comfortable without distractions. A practical gadget for men on the go, this portable fan combines efficiency, portability, and style in one handy device.
Number 2.
LISEN Airplane Phone Holder. The LISEN Airplane Phone Holder keeps your devices secure and accessible during flights or long trips. Adjustable and easy to install, it attaches to seatbacks, allowing hands-free viewing for movies, calls, or work. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for frequent travelers or anyone seeking convenience on the go. A small but incredibly useful travel accessory, this holder improves comfort and keeps your phone visible and stable throughout your journey.
Number 3.
Vacbird Travel Vacuum Bags. Vacbird Travel Vacuum Bags help save space and keep luggage organized. With airtight sealing, they compress clothes, towels, or bedding up to 50%, making packing efficient and stress-free. Durable and reusable, these bags protect items from moisture, dust, and wrinkles. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or long-term storage. They make packing lighter and simpler. Perfect for men who travel often, these bags combine functionality, convenience, and smart organization in a compact set. Number 4. JOYROOM Magsafe Phone Holder. The JOYROOM Magsafe Phone Holder is a sleek, magnetic solution for mounting your phone in cars or on desks. Compatible with MagSafe-enabled devices, it keeps your phone secure and easily accessible for navigation, calls, or video streaming. Its strong magnetic force and durable construction ensure stability, even on bumpy surfaces. Compact and stylish, this phone holder is a perfect gift for tech-savvy men who want convenience, safety, and hands-free use wherever they go.
Number 5.
TakeToday Collapsible Water Bottle. The TakeToday Collapsible Water Bottle is a practical, space-saving accessory for hydration on the move. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, it folds down for easy storage when empty and expands to hold enough water for workouts, travel, or outdoor adventures. Lightweight and leak-proof, it fits in backpacks or bags without taking up extra space. Perfect for men who enjoy fitness, hiking, or commuting. It combines convenience, portability, and eco-friendly design in a smart, reusable bottle. Number 6. HUOTO Apple Watch Charger. The HUOTO Apple Watch Charger is a reliable, compact solution for keeping your smartwatch powered. Designed for portability and fast charging, it works with Apple Watch models effortlessly. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's perfect for business trips, vacations, or daily use at home. Durable and efficient, it ensures your device stays ready whenever you need it. Ideal for men who rely on tech accessories, this charger combines convenience, speed, and practicality in a small, easy-to-use package.
Number 7.
MiiKARE Airplane Phone Holder. The MiiKARE Airplane Phone Holder provides a convenient, hands-free way to watch movies or work during flights. Adjustable and durable, it attaches securely to tray tables or seatbacks, holding phones or small tablets. Lightweight and portable, it enhances comfort and usability while traveling. Perfect for frequent flyers or anyone who wants entertainment without holding their device. This holder makes long trips more enjoyable and stress-free, blending practicality, stability, and convenience in one small accessory.
Number 8.
HEYCHY Mini Massage Gun. The HEYCHY Mini Massage Gun is a compact, powerful solution for muscle recovery on the go. Its portable design fits in bags or car compartments, making it ideal for post-workout relief, travel, or office use. Multiple speed settings allow customization for different muscle groups, while quiet operation ensures discreet use anywhere. Lightweight yet effective, this massage gun is perfect for men who prioritize wellness, fitness, and relaxation, delivering professional-style therapy in a convenient, travel-ready device. Number 9. charmast Portable Power Bank. The charmast Portable Power Bank keeps devices charged wherever you go. With high-capacity batteries and multiple USB ports, it can power smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets efficiently. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in pockets, bags, or backpacks. Ideal for travel, commuting, or emergencies. This power bank ensures you stay connected without worrying about running out of battery. A practical and reliable accessory, it's perfect for men who rely on tech in everyday life. Number 10. Touxila Travel Kettle. The Touxila Travel Kettle is a compact and portable solution for hot beverages on the go. Lightweight yet efficient. It boils water quickly for tea, coffee, or instant meals, making it perfect for trips, hotel stays, or office use. Its foldable design saves space, while safety features prevent overheating or spills. Durable and easy to clean, this kettle combines practicality, convenience, and portability, making it an essential accessory for men who love hot drinks wherever they travel.
Number 10.
GAIATOP Mini Travel Fan. The GAIATOP Mini Travel Fan is a small but powerful tool for staying cool anywhere. USB rechargeable and lightweight, it provides adjustable airflow for personal comfort in offices, cars, or outdoor activities. Compact and portable, it easily fits in bags or desks, making it perfect for travel. Quiet and efficient, it keeps you comfortable without distractions. Men who value convenience, style, and functionality will find this mini fan an indispensable travel accessory for warm days or long commutes. Number 12. Airplane Pocket Seat Organizer. The Airplane Pocket Seat Organizer keeps essentials neatly stored and easily accessible during flights or long trips. Multiple compartments hold phones, snacks, chargers, and documents, reducing clutter and stress. Lightweight and durable, it attaches securely to seatbacks for hands-free convenience. Ideal for frequent travelers, it helps maintain organization and comfort while flying. Practical, functional, and travel-friendly, this organizer is a must-have accessory for men who like to stay prepared and keep their space tidy on the go.
Number 13.
Vlando Travel Jewelry Case. The Vlando Travel Jewelry Case protects and organizes valuables during travel. With padded compartments and secure closures, it safely stores watches, rings, bracelets, and cufflinks. Compact and lightweight, it fits in luggage or backpacks, making it ideal for business trips or vacations. Elegant design meets practicality, allowing men to keep their accessories safe, organized, and easily accessible. A perfect gift or personal travel essential, it ensures valuables remain secure while on the move.
Number 14.
Autallgee Multi-Charging Cable. The Autallgee multi-charging cable is a versatile accessory for powering multiple devices simultaneously. With multiple connectors, it supports smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. Durable and tangle-free, it's perfect for travel, office, or home use. Compact and portable, it reduces clutter while keeping all devices charged efficiently. Ideal for tech-savvy men who need convenience and organization, this cable combines functionality, versatility, and reliability in one practical, everyday accessory. Number 15. BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer. The BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer keeps necklaces, bracelets, rings, and watches safe and tangle-free. With multiple compartments, it prevents scratches and makes packing simple. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in luggage, making it perfect for vacations or business trips. Elegant and functional, this organizer ensures valuables remain secure while traveling. A thoughtful accessory for men who wear or collect jewelry. It combines protection, convenience, and style in one compact travel solution.
Number 16.
LISEX Travel Sound Machine. The LEICEX Travel Sound Machine provides soothing white noise for restful sleep anywhere. Portable and compact, it's ideal for hotels, planes, or noisy bedrooms. Multiple sound options create a calming environment, reducing stress and improving sleep quality. Lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to use, it's a perfect accessory for men who travel frequently or need a consistent sleep routine. Combining relaxation, convenience, and portability, this sound machine is a must-have for restful travel nights. Number 17. Flyga Drink Phone Holder. The Flyga Drink Phone Holder keeps beverages and phones secure while traveling or exercising. Adjustable and durable, it attaches to bikes, strollers, or desks, providing hands-free convenience. Perfect for commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, or fitness lovers. It ensures items remain stable and accessible. Compact and versatile, it enhances convenience while keeping essentials within reach. Men who value practicality, organization, and multitasking will appreciate this innovative accessory for daily use or travel. Number 18. JOYROOM Handheld Fan. The JOYROOM handheld fan is a portable, rechargeable solution for staying cool anywhere. Lightweight and compact, it fits in pockets or backpacks, making it perfect for outdoor activities, workouts, or travel. Adjustable speeds allow personalized comfort, while quiet operation ensures discreet use. Durable and easy to charge via USB, this fan combines portability, practicality, and efficiency. Ideal for men who need relief from heat on the go, it's a handy accessory for everyday life. Number 19. Sunini Travel Neck Pillow. The Sunini Travel Neck Pillow offers comfort and support for long journeys. Ergonomically designed, it reduces neck strain and improves sleep while flying, driving, or commuting. Soft and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store, making travel more enjoyable. The removable, washable cover ensures hygiene and durability. Perfect for men who spend time traveling, this pillow combines comfort, practicality, and convenience for restful trips every time.
Number 20.
4 Monster Hiking Backpack. The 4 Monster Hiking Backpack is a durable, spacious option for outdoor adventures. Multiple compartments and water-resistant materials keep gear organized and protected. Comfortable, adjustable straps and ergonomic design make it easy to carry during long hikes, camping trips, or daily commutes. Lightweight yet sturdy, it accommodates essentials like water, snacks, and tools. Perfect for men who love adventure or need a reliable, functional backpack, this bag combines durability, convenience, and style for every journey. That's our roundup of the 20 cool travel gadgets on Amazon every traveler will love. From smart accessories to essential gear, these picks make trips easier, more fun, and more comfortable. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more amazing travel gadget guides and Amazon must-have lists.